Okay, well this is how to do the rear cab mounts on a F-150 by yourself. Loosen up the gas tank, 13 and a 15 millimeter. Ended up using a 9/16 because I didn't have a 13 wrench because I forgot to grab one, and then I used a 15 on the nut. Took the front strap off, loosened the back, gave it some wiggle room. Before, you couldn't even get any kind of socket in there, so I basically rigged this up with a 1/2 inch breaker bar on a deep 7/8. Some people say 22. I didn't have a 22. This is a I don't know, a foot long or a 10-inch extension, and then this one's probably like a 2-foot extension on a long breaker bar. So then I got the jack holding everything up, and I'm just gonna hold on to this with my shin and then hit it with the gun.